Hey guys, I just want to talk to you about shrinkflation. I heard this term since COVID, and check it out. There are two PEX fittings that we use for these boiler setups, and so the one that I have in my hand right now, actually let's do this. This one used to be the original one that is PEX by Wiersbo or Uponor, and as you can see, that's sort of the size right there. And then this is the other one. Look how thin those walls are. And the whole thing is just made like out of thin air, so to speak. So I'm going to put them by themselves next to each other, so they look like, check it out, look at the difference. See that? And these ones always used to be expensive because of the brass. I don't know how much they cost, like probably they used to cost like $7 or something. These are anywhere from like $12 to $25. Less material, they're a lot lighter. I wish I had a scale. They're almost half the weight, and they are about twice the price. And it makes me worried because brass is weak, and if you over tighten it, it can actually open up, and you can lose the seal. This is a taper thread, so if it opens up and you have like a, you have lower contact or a lower surface area for contact, and it could leak. So anyway, just shrinkflation for you in the HVAC industry. There you go.